Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to the bench. Got a couple of new things I wanted to share with you guys. We did pick up this Arrma Gorgon not too long ago. I didn't do an unboxing video on it because by this point there's already been a ton of them out there, but I just wanted to let you know what I've thought about it. It's been a super fun truck. I put a wheelie bar on the back of it. I got the green one. I liked it. It was nice and bright. I have the RVRC stickers that kind of match and go with it. It's a really fun truck on the even with the NIM battery that it comes with. It comes with this NIM battery, this charger here, which is a pretty nice little charger. The light blinks in accordance with how much charge it has on it. I think 3 times in a row it blinks when it's really low, then 2 times, and then once when it's ready. But it's really fun on the NIM, and then it's also lipo capable. I've been running this 2S on it. A whole lot of fun on that. This thing drives really nice, handles well. I'm sure if you've seen the videos, you've seen most of it, but it's got these body pins right here, which I like. So far, I've not had any issues with those, with the body staying on it. Comes on and off easy. Pretty simple setup on the inside. It's got a space here you could put a fan on or something like that, a cooling fan. The battery compartment, really, I like that. It's easy. You can fit your big batteries in it pretty easily. The only one that's kind of hard to put in is the stock battery because it's got that big lump on there, but it does fit in. But it's a fun truck. We're gonna have a lot of fun with this. Honestly, at the moment, can't remember if I've done any video of this truck. I should know that, but I don't. But anyways, wanted to show you that one real quick. Just showing some new things that we've got, and we have a brand new truck that I just got in the mail today. We're gonna unbox that real quick, but again, this truck right here, good for adults, good for kids, under $200. I saw you can get different color body kits for this. That comes with the colored mounting, comes with the bumpers that match, the shocks that match and everything. They've got a purple one. They're like $60 on eBay. I'm not sure if they sell them anywhere else, but that's where I've happened to see it. So I would like to get a purple one, purple body for this thing. So keep an eye out, see if I get some purple on this one day. Let's check out the new package that we got here. All right, here's the package that just came in the mail. It's a small box. Might be able to guess what it is. I'm a sucker for cheap RCs. All right, if you read the title of the video, you already know what kind of truck we've got here. The Redcat Ascent 18. Couldn't pass it up for being on sale for $99.99 right now. I believe May 1st it goes up to $119.99, I think. I did get the blue one. I meant to get the red one, but in my haste of ordering it with as excited as I was, I didn't change the color, so we got a blue one. I've been a fan of a lot of people coming out with the 118s and 124 stuff right now. this Grom that I got charging over here, 118, super fun truck, really fun little basher. I'm building a new crawler course, mini crawler course right now, so I figured it was the perfect time to get another 118 crawler. I've got the FMS 6x6, which they say is a 118, but if you follow FMS much, you know that their scales can be all over the place. But I needed something else of size to run on the new crawler course. There we go. I got this banded in here, snip this off. Really is a nice looking truck. I've been wanting to get something, another 1/18 scale, like I was saying. This was a perfect price, perfect time. It's a nice little truck. You can see it next to, this is RC 4-wheel drive 124. So you can see a little bit bigger wheels. The body sizes are somewhat similar, but yeah, a little bit bigger than that. And I think the RC 4-wheel drives are on the small side of the 124s, honestly. But so there we go, Redcat Ascent 18. It's got some nice flex in it. Let's see what else we got inside the package here. Charger, stickers, body posts, things like that. There's our remote. This is actually only the second Redcat that I've had. I've got the Redcat Gen 8 chassis kit that I put together a while back. But other than that, this will only be the second Redcat that we have in our RC fleet here. Let's take this body off, see how this body comes off. Alright, so for the body, we've got a little switch down here. Looks like you turn that, and the body should pop off, I would assume. I'll push on the right part, there we go. It's hinged in the front. Looks like it's, yeah, it's fixed on there. Screwed on somehow in the front, but you can see it's hinged up there. Basic little setup here, 700 milliamp battery, looks like 750. You can see the 5 in there. 750. 2S lipo in there. That's nice. I think it's lipo. Is it? It is a lipo. Wasn't sure. So yeah, it's a good looking truck. It's got the portal axles on it. There's a ton of brass upgrades for this out already. If you go on the Redcat page and you look at this truck, it shows, you know, the things you may want to buy with it. Ton of brass upgrades for this already. I don't know what else to really say about it yet, except we're excited to get it, excited to drive it around. I don't have much built on my little course yet. Like I said, I'm just starting to try to build another small scale course, but I'll take it out there to take some pictures and stuff like that. There's not really much to crawl on, but yeah, so this is the new stuff that we've got here. Be sure to check out that Arrma Gorgon if you're looking for a cheap basher. That thing's a lot of fun. This thing's still a ton of fun. Like I said, it does need a new battery. That body took a beating at the skate park, but that thing soared at the skate park. So next time you see this truck, I'm sure I'll have some other stickers and stuff on it, make it look a little bit different from all the rest. I kind of like the blue. I'm glad I accidentally got the blue over the red. Really nice looking body. Nice looking truck. I'll take it out on the course so that we can just see what kind of speed it's got and things like that. So we'll see you out there in just a second. Alright, so here it is. We're out on the course. Like I said, this course is in the works right now, so you'll have to excuse the way it looks, but I just wanted to get a little bit of running with this truck in on it. I'll also point out real quick that I just noticed this remote has a 4th channel on it. It doesn't seem like you can do anything with this truck as it is, because the receiver is a 2-in-1. You know, there's only one plug in it, but basic remote setup. I wish the truck had lights on it. That would be a lot cooler if it did, but it doesn't. But still a good looking truck. Let's see how it does.